I sold I sold this high after three consecutive bear bars, and I sold more a little bit over 5 points higher, around 5 points higher. Um, I sold here. It's low, below the moving average, but I sold it because we had the Globex low about 8 points lower. So I thought if I sell here and sell 5 points higher, that my average price would make the math okay. So my risk is about equal to my reward. And I thought it was more likely that we go down to the Globex low than that we break above this high. So that was the premise. It's selling. I was selling low after a really big gap down. So the magnet of the moving average might be much stronger, but we were so close to the Globex low that I didn't think it was worth buying until we got down there, and that's why I decided to sell those at those two prices. So decent math, but obviously this bar didn't close the way I wanted it to, and it got bigger than I wanted it to. That's a surprise breakout, but I thought the premise was okay. It was a strong enough breakout that I'd rather get out break even now if it gets back to the midpoint of my entries, because we may need to break above this high now and get a second leg up from this breakout bar and then form maybe a double top or get up to the moving average first and then get a swing down. I'm not sure, but I do think we're going down here, but I don't know if it makes sense in this context anymore. Well, it might stop me out, but if it doesn't, I'd like to get out break even. I was pretty much risking 100 to make 100, and I thought it was more likely to go down here. Might still be coming down to the bar 4 high. It's a bad buy signal, so I would have to pass through the midpoint of my entries to get down there, if that's where we're going.
Order filled.
I got filled break even there. Globex low still a target, bar 4 high still a target. Yeah, it's tough to hold short after breakout bar and follow through after such a big gap down. We might still get there, but I wasn't really happy seeing this strong bar on bar 5, so I'm okay with getting out break even and looking for something else. That I wanted to mention, I bought above here, I think it was bar 40, if I'm not mistaken. I bought above here, stopped below, and I was looking for a new high, so about 2 times my risk, and ended up getting stopped out below. So that's why I think I lost about $100 on it, I think, maybe a little bit more, and I didn't take any more trades after that. So 49,862, down about 140.